Hiccups, those involuntary jerks accompanied by the iconic hic sound, are more than just an annoyance. Here's the breakdown. These act as sentinels stationed in the diaphragm, esophagus, and throat. When irritated by factors like stretching, inflammation, or sudden temperature changes, they send electrical signals to the brainstem. This region serves as the maestro, interpreting the signals from the sensory nerves. It then coordinates the response by sending instructions through the phrenic nerve. This nerve acts as the messenger, carrying the signal from the brainstem to the diaphragm, triggering its contraction. As the diaphragm contracts abruptly, the glottis, space between the vocal cords, closes momentarily, creating the characteristic hic sound.